first part is the basic operations review, and we are going to perform the operation, and we also have to know when adding, subtracting, we have to align the decimal, and when multiplying, aligning the rightmost number. Okay, so the first question that might be hard for you guys is adding these two numbers. And what we need to do first is add these two, so that'd be 8, carry over the 1, add that decimal point, which is 10, 11, add the 1, carry over the other 1, which is 8. So that was pretty easy, and now we box. What we are going to do is 11 times 56 plus 89. And the first thing we need to do is times these together, which we can do pretty easily right now. 56, and we times that, so that'd be 56 and 56. And that'd be 6, 6, oh my god, 616, and that is going to be put together with 89, and actually we have to put that down here, 89, that'd be 15, put the 1 up there, and then it'd be 10, put the 1 up there. There we go. So the answer is 705. 721 over 3 times 6 over 2. And you can already see that I crossed these out and simplified them because they are both multiples of 3, which means this is now 1 and this is 2. And because of that, we're going to multiply 721 times 2. And this should be pretty easy for you guys. 42, so 1,442. And that is over 2. And we can simplify this. And doing that would make it... No, I'm not good at this type of stuff. 500, that'd be 721. So that is the answer. What we are going to do is 2 plus 70 over 3. And you can notice while you divide this that this does not solve out very cleanly. It has a lot of decimals, in fact. And from already calculating it, I got 23.33333, and we don't want that. So we are going to simplify this, and it will just have 3 with the repeating symbol. And if you put that together with 2, then that would equal 25.3 with the repeating symbol. Another question we can do is 9 times 9 times 9, and this is pretty repeating. And another way we can show this is actually 9 to the power of 3. And that is actually what it is, because 9 to the power of 3 is 9 times 9 times 9. And to solve this question, is simply 9 times 9 is 81. And if we times that by the other 9, that would equal 729. Because if you multiply that, you get 9, and then 2. 729. Okay, now that we did a lot of easy stuff, now we are going to move on to percents and decimals. And one thing you have to keep in mind is that to convert percents to decimals, you move the decimal 2 places to the left. That's very important. And we can see that when we solve this question. Okay, this marker is not coming out. Give me a second. There we go. That 873%. To make this into a decimal, we need to move this to the left, right? pretend there's fake ones, so that's 8.73 as a decimal. Another example can be 54.3%. And when we move this to the left, that makes it 543 as a decimal. If we want to make the decimal to percentage, then instead of doing it to the left, we have to do it to the right. It's the opposite. So when we do number 3, maybe 648.2, we have to move this 2 places to the right. So this will make it 6482 and 0%. That's the answer. 4 is 0.004. Same thing to the right, like this, and then that will make it 4%. That's the answer. Okay, we are finally done, and we are going to end this video with a little word problem, a fun one actually. And in 1988, Tutor was 17 years old. Then how old was he in 1999? And you can just pause the video here if you want, just like figure it out. Okay. There's a difference of 11 years. So if you did 17 and then 11, that means he'll be 28 in 1999. So he would be 28. Then what about 2001? And that's pretty simple. You just add 2 years to the 28, which is pretty easy. It's 30 years. Final question. Where did Jotaro die? That is pretty simple. That is very easy. He died in Texas. No, he did not. It was Florida. Okay, and thank you for taking the time to look at this video, and it's probably kind of helpful. If not, you can just check out the other videos. And yes, this is not my normal voice. I'm not this monotone, I swear.